Hello stars, welcome back to my channel, Tea Star Bakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make a marble effect cake. It is super soft and of course we all love super soft cakes, so I am here to give you another super soft cake in a marble cake form. So guys, follow me through as I show you how. Firstly, we need our eggs. And this time we're using quite a number of them and we are separating them, which is our egg white from our egg yolk. And guys, if this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe before we proceed or even after you're done with the video. But please subscribe, I would really appreciate any new subscriber. Thank you. So after completely separating our egg white from our egg yolk, we can proceed to beat our butter and sugar. We are beating this until it has doubled in size and it is completely fluffy and absolutely pale. Beat it until it is like this, and then we can proceed to adding our egg yolks in there and beating them also. Beat it thoroughly to mix it in your butter. Try to also not forget your flavor, guys. And we can immediately proceed to add our dry ingredients, and as you can see, I am sieving it in. It is key to sieve your dry ingredients always. And then from that step onwards, you need to combine the dry ingredients with your butter and also to not forget to add your milk. Of course, our mixer can't do it all, so we need to work with our spatula also to scrape those sides and completely mix it in. After that, we are not forgetting our egg white, we're not throwing it, so we are beating this egg white until it is completely fluffy. And of course you can add your lemon juice, but for this I didn't add any lemon juice. Well, I have no reason for not adding it, but then you can always add yours. The first egg white we are adding to our batter, we are just vigorously mixing that in. And then we proceed to add that into our remaining egg white so we can start to fold it in. Okay, the egg white is like this because I didn't add a lemon juice, but then it still worked perfectly. So completely fold that in and then head over to separate your batter into two. We are adding our cocoa powder into one set of the batter and mixing that up. Mix it in completely until it is mixed like this. After this process, make the marble effect right now. I do mine by adding a tablespoon at a time. As you can see, a bit of white and a bit of brown. A bit of white and a bit of brown until I exhaust my entire batter. And then you should also not forget to give that upper part a swirl to make it pretty. Do not miss this recipe and do not forget to comment down below in the comment section to tell me how this recipe worked for you. This cake is ready and it's baked like magic, right? We're just getting rid of that parchment paper and yep, it is ready for the belly. This cake is so amazing, it doesn't even need any type of frosting. You can eat that immediately as it's hot, or you can also cool it down. Any way you try to eat this cake, it's amazing. Look how fluffy it is. Look, squishy, squishy, squishy. I love this cake, and I hope you guys do give it a try also, and you love the recipe also, because this cake is super amazing and we are not about to miss this out. Look how light it looks. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.